Hello, hello everyone. My name is Abhilash Ganesh Pawnikar and I am from Pune. Today's video topic is that linked list in Java. Okay. So in this video we have to discuss about what is a linked list, then what is the methods of that linked list, and what it exactly the linked list it works. Okay. So we will see each one of them one by one. So let us start our video. What is the linked list? Okay, so the linked list is like a part of that collection framework that is present in the java.util.package. So that this class is an implementation of that linked list data structures, which is a linear linked list data structure, which is a linear data structure, and it may be where the elements are not stored in that contiguous location, and it may be every element is a separate object with a data part, or it may be also the address part. Okay, so the elements are linked using the pointers and addresses. So each element is known as a node. So due to the dynamicity and ease of the insertion and deletion, they are preferred over the arrays. It also has a few disadvantages, like nodes cannot be accessed directly. Instead of we need to start from the head and follow through the link to reach to a node we wish to access. Okay, for example, how to create and use the linked list. Okay, so if I have created a one class as a public class test. In that I have written that like a public static void main method. So in that below I have written I have to declare the linked list, like a linked list in angular bracket as a string, and is equal to the new linked list angular bracket is string. Okay, so I have taken an object of that linked list like a ll to add the method as a then ll dot add as a b, and then ll dot add last of c. Okay, so and another one object is that ll dot add first. So in that I have written like a d. Okay, so I have printed the linked list. So the my output is like a DABC, DAEBC. Okay, so that is the way of to initialization of that linked list. Okay, so in that we have to some operations on that linked list, adding an element, removing an element. First one is that adding an element in that in order to add an element to an array list. Okay, so we can use the add method. So this method is overloaded to perform the multiple operations based on that different parameters, they are add of object. That add of object, this method is used to add an element at the end of that linked list. Okay, so another method is that add of int index and object. So in this method is used to add an element at a specific index in the linked list. Okay, so we will take another method is like a changing an element. So after adding the elements, if you wish to change the element, it can be done using the set method. So like linked list is the index and the element which we wish to change the reference by the index of that element. So therefore this method takes an index and the updated element which is needs to be like inserted at the index. Okay, thank you.